It's over. You're hearing it from everybody in the crypto space. You're hearing it in the comments, whether it's YouTube, X, Instagram, TikTok. Everybody's saying it's over. Is it though? You see, if you go back in history, there's been many times where it looked like it was over. And each time, it bounces. Because it's not over. Everything that we were talking about that was coming. How is it over? It just changed overnight. All but the institutions are getting in. All the banks are getting in. So crypto's dead. Or is this the best buying opportunity you're going to have? Again, pick your poison. More for you. Everything. Again, large, mid, small. It does not matter what you're looking at. The entire market looks like this. Yet every time that people declare it's dead, it bounces. And you can see this in the numbers. Actually look at this. Back last cycle, right here. Well, it was dead. Next cycle, it was dead. Now this is Bitcoin, this isn't the altcoins. But the other thing that people are missing is that just because we didn't go into an altcoin season right in October or November, although it's the beginning of November, but just because we didn't go into an altcoin season the exact month that everybody said we were supposed to and what history said, doesn't mean that your altcoins are not going to move. And then we talk about liquidity coming into the markets. And I basically asked ChatGPT, well, is this true? Is the repo market where the banks basically get money from the Fed to stay alive, and they do this every night, every day? Is it true that we hit a record high? And yes, it is. In October, check this out. Read this for a minute. As a matter of fact, I'll read it for you because it was $50 billion through a month's time. Yes, banks are indeed borrowing significant amounts from the Federal Reserve. And they do this through mechanisms like the discount window and the standing repo facility, which are part of the Fed's repo operations. Not repo like a car. It's completely different. They're basically injecting liquidity into the banking system. They're creating money out of thin air, and they're literally sending it digitally to the banking system. But they're doing it on a scale. Wait till you see this shit. And a few billion here and there, that's a normal thing. But $50 billion in a month,